Okay, today I'm gonna show it to you how to make animation, moving animation in Scratch. First of all, you need the sprite and the backdrop. You can see it in here. We already have it, the cat. So that means what we need to do is the backdrop. We need to add the backdrop in here. Now you can choose any backdrop that you prefer. Which one? For example, this one. I will try to use it. Now, in the beginning, you have to make sure put the cat in the correct position. And then after that, you can start the script. In Scratch, in the beginning that you're supposed to put is this one, the green flag click. Why the green flag click? Because when you do this, when you click this one, that means you're gonna play or execute the coding. So, and after that they will move according to your own. Now the first thing that you're supposed to do, this is the basic that you're supposed to remember. You have to make sure you choose go to X and Y to lock the cat position. But before you do that, you have to make sure you already put it in the correct position. For example, like this. I will put this one. Now, if I move it this cat to here, when I press the green flag, see, no matter where it is, the cat will come back to the exact position. Now, next step is what we're supposed to do. We're gonna choose this one. The name is Forever. We're gonna make it looping without non-stop. Because we're gonna make this cat walking. Without non-stop. We're gonna make the animations like that. After that, what you need to do, you need to choose this one. Move 10 step. No need to change it anything. And next is you need to choose which one. Looks. This one. Next costume. Why next costume? As you can see in the Scratch, you have the costume here, costume 1 and costume 2. So if you wanted to make it this one, changing like this,